3 crispy and easy snack food recipes. These 3 crispy and easy snack food will sweeten up your daily life. Recipe 1, crispy fried apples rings. Ingredients: 2 large apples peeled and cored. Starch, cornstarch or potato starch. 2 eggs. Breadcrumbs. Oil. Instructions: 1. Prepare the apples. Start by peeling the apples and slicing them into thick rounds. Make sure to remove the core to ensure that each slice is safe to eat. 2. Coating the apples. Pat the apple slices with a layer of starch. This will help the egg wash adhere better. After that, dip each slice into the beaten egg, allowing any excess to drip off. Now wrap the apple slices in breadcrumbs. The key to a great texture is to ensure each slice is evenly coated. You can use regular or panko breadcrumbs for extra crunch. 3. Frying the apples. Heat oil in a pan to about 60% of the temperature. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the coated apple slices. Fry them for about 2 minutes on each side or until they turn golden and crispy. For serving. Once done, remove the apples from the oil and place them on a paper towel to absorb any excess oil. Serve them warm. Recipe 2, crispy fried bananas strips. Ingredients: 2 ripe bananas. Starch, cornstarch or potato starch. 2 eggs. Breadcrumbs. Oil. Instructions: 1. Prepare the bananas. Peeling the bananas and cutting them into long pieces. 2. Coating the bananas. Wrapping each banana piece in a layer of starch. Then dip it into the beaten egg, ensuring it's well coated. 3. Adding the crunch. Wrap the banana pieces in breadcrumbs. Ensure each piece is evenly covered. 4. Frying the bananas. Heat your oil to about 60% temperature again. Carefully place the coated bananas in the hot oil and fry for about 2 minutes until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once done, remove them from the oil and let them drain on a paper towel. 5. Serving. Serve immediately. Recipe 3, 2-color French fries. Ingredients: 2 medium potatoes. 2 medium sweet potatoes. Salt. White vinegar. Crispy powder or use flour. Oil. Instructions: 1. Prepare the potatoes. Peeling the potatoes and sweet potatoes. Cut them into thick slices using a wolf tooth knife to give them that fun, crinkly shape. Rinse the potato slices to remove excess starch. 2. Blanching. Bring a pot of water to a boil and add 1 teaspoon salt and a pinch of white vinegar. Blanch the potato slices for about 1 minute. Then remove them and let them dry completely. 3. Coating the potatoes. Once dry, evenly wrap the potato slices in crispy powder. 4. Frying the French fries. Heat the oil to around 50% temperature. Carefully add the potato slices to the hot oil and fry them. Slowly over medium-low heat for about 4 or 5 minutes or until they are golden brown and crispy. 5. Serving. Once done, remove them from the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain any excess oil. Serve with ketchup or your favorite dip. Happy cooking! Enjoy your snack food.